So the step one we said is getting your script scene to scene. What just block the window? Getting your script scene to scene. The second step is generating scene images. Then the third step is video generation. Now Quen was giving us issue yesterday, we could not generate our videos yesterday. Then the fourth step is use video generation to like CapCut to modify the videos. This is not image, the videos. So now let's start. First of all, this is what we do. I'm going to make this video as short as possible. This is what we'll go to ChatGPT and say give me a 20 seconds, give me a short, or let's set ChatGPT to give you 10 short story ideas. Okay, let's give us 10 short story ideas. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yesterday I was telling someone about master prompt. Okay, I have a master prompt that you could just impute this and automatically it will give you everything you need, the script, the character, and everything. Okay, so that is for the master prompt. So now you can see the story ideas ChatGPT gave us. He gave us the last message: a dead man phone, keep sending message, predicting this, that, borrow time, people can trade years of their life, you understand? The silence is a mirror self, and he gave us 10 different short story ideas. Okay, so what we have to do next is now this is first getting your script. Okay, we are using ChatGPT. Now we have to we'll tell ChatGPT to elaborate on image one. Okay, you should keep it in just you should keep it in just 4 scenes. Okay, and also ChatGPT should give us characters for the story and give us image prompt as well. We have to generate the image prompt for each scene. You understand? So the reason I'm using 4 scenes because I don't want the video to be long, because we cannot generate with Quen. Okay, Quen is a free tool. Yes, other tools on this platform is being paid for, so but we cannot use Quen. Quen is giving us, sorry about that, Quen is giving us issues. So this is what we'll do. We'll say elaborate on number 1, give us 4 scenes. Okay, tell ChatGPT to give us 4 scenes. Generate, tell it also generate image prompt, character. Also generate image prompts like character prompts, scene prompts, and what else again? Let's say generate scene character prompt, scene prompt, and video prompt. Then we'll give it a command. We'll tell ChatGPT that it should do it step by step on our command. So this is what we say: elaborate on number 1, give us 4 scenes. Okay, give us 4 scenes. Let's just put full stop there. You have to be very sure about your command. Give us 4 scenes. Always generate image from like okay, also generate image prompts like character prompt, scene prompt, video prompt as well. Okay, then you will tell it generate at my command. What is our command? Let's use next. At my command next. Let's put in capital. At my command next for each requested prompt. Look at how detailed my prompt is, right? Because you need your prompts to be detailed. So if your prompt is not detailed enough, it will confuse the AI on what to do. Then we have to give it a style. Let's say you should keep the image style in African folk tale style. Okay, I'll send it. Let's see what it will give us. Okay, now you can see I think I made mistake on my listening, but let's see if ChatGPT understands what I told it at the end. Let's go to the end. Okay, it understood it. You say when you say next, I'll generate character image prompt, detailed scene prompt, and cinematic prompt as well. So it understood. So, but my prompt is okay. So ChatGPT understood what I was trying to say, even if I made mistake with typing. So as you can see, I still generate the scene and everything for the number 1. I did not write the name, I just wrote number 1, which is the last message. ChatGPT knew that it's number 1, so it gave us everything. And as you can see, it gave us image prompt and the rest. But we don't need that. We don't need all those. So this is what we'll do. So number 1, we'll now type we'll say next, because all those things that you're doing does not concern us. We'll just say next. So ChatGPT will generate the character prompt. The first thing ChatGPT generated was the scene. Okay, it broke down the story for us, gave us the scene, explaining the story for us so that we can understand. But when you click next, it starts generating the characters in the story. Okay, so let's see if it has given us character prompt. Okay, now it gave us character prompt. It said image character prompt African folktale. Then it gave us the scene image prompt as well. Then it also gave us video prompt. So it has given us the 3 prompts. Now we'll start by generating images for the character prompt. So let's generate the character prompt for Tunde, which is the main character. Let's generate the image for Tunde, which is the main character. So we'll copy all this, go to Google Flow. How do you get to Google Flow? Labs.google. When you go to Google, just search Flow. The first this thing that comes up, you tap on it. That's Google Flow. So you paste your prompt, click on send. If you were in my class yesterday, you understood how this settings is, but let me go over it again. So basically, this is Nano Banana. So when you open Google Flow, you sign up, then you click on create project. This blank something like this will come out like this. Then all you have to do before you paste your prompt, you come to the settings here, you click on it, then you choose the alignment, the screen size and everything. Okay, This is to generate 2 images, to generate 3 images, to generate 4 images. You choose Nano Banana 2 because which is the best image generator so far. Okay, you can as well click on generate videos, but because Google Flow generates videos, but for now we don't have AI credit, so we cannot generate videos on Google Flow. So as you can see, it has finished generating our main character Tunde. So we'll go again, copy the other one, TK. Now let's go, let's generate for TK. They gave us 4 different characters. We're just going to make a sample video for only just 2 scenes, okay, or just two scenes, just to explain and go over what we did yesterday. Today we are just putting the final touches in everything. Okay, now so once your video has generated, all you just have to do is to click on more, click on download. Just hover on download, you see 1K original size and you see upscale. You can just click on upscale. It will give you a very high quality video. So the second image has downloaded because we kept our image. You can see the graphical style is maintaining the African folktale style. Okay, you hover on download, click on upscale, it downloads directly. Then it generates for the killer, which is the antagonist. Then we come over to number 4, the elder. Also copy it and do the same thing as well. So for detailed purposes, I will advise that you wait for the image to finish generating so that you will not put so much stress on the AI, so you can easily capture the details of the images. You understand? So all you just have to do is to do that and send. Is to copy and send. Then once it has finished generating, you repeat the same process. You click and download on upscale to get the best quality. You can choose anyone you want depending on the kind of story you're telling. Choose anyone you want and download the image. So now we have to go and generate our scenes. While we wait for the other one to download, we'll generate our scenes. Like I said, we'll generate for just 2 scenes. Okay, generate for 2 scenes. So we're animating only 2 scenes so that the video don't have to be too long. Okay, very important detail. Now for your scene 1, you have to read through to know the characters that is inside the scene 1 prompt, you understand, so that you can use it as a reference character while you're generating the scene. Now my master prompts will automatically show you the characters that is in the scene. You see something like characters Tunde and so and so. My master prompt has it, but this is not the master class, so I cannot use the master prompt. This is just beginners class. So during my master class, if you're interested, you join my master class. I will be giving you more detail and insight about this AI. This is just scratching the surface so you understand what you have to do with AI video generation. So an emotional African funeral or at sunset crowd, blah blah blah. A young man holding phone. So the young man they're talking about at this point is Tunde. Okay, so we have to archive this because we did not reference Tunde here. So this image that we generated is wrong. So now we have to reference Tunde. How do we reference Tunde in the image? If you're using a laptop, you click and drag and click paste on add ingredient. But if you're using your phone, you tap on more, you see add to prompt, you click on it and it will show there. Then you just paste your prompt. So I guess the reason why Flow is slow because there is a lot of people generating with Flow. Okay, so now scene 2, a rural dark African room lit by candlelight. and glow from pouring and phone glow. Young man saying phone fear. It's still the same Tunde. If you're dancing a model, keep doing things African hotel. Okay. Yeah, they're still talking about Tunde. So as you can see, the same image is referencing Tunde. Okay. It is referencing Tunde. So Tunde is referenced there. Here they're still talking about Tunde in the scene too. So click, drag, and paste. Mind you, any image you're using for your reference, you have to use that image consistently. You cannot be using different images. So I'll prefer, if for example, if you use this one as your reference image, then you all have to just have to archive the other one. Okay, any image you choose as a reference image, you archive the other one so that you don't get confused. Okay, so that you don't get confused while picking a reference image, and to maintain image consistency. So now, if you have gotten your first scene image, you choose the scene image you want and move the other one. Okay, so that you don't get your workspace crowded one, and to maintain scene consistency and to have a clean job. Do you understand? So that is it. So let's wait for the second scene image to load. So let's just be hopeful that Qwen would allow us to generate a video today. So how do we generate videos on Qwen? Once you downloaded your first scene image, okay. Once the first image is downloaded, we head over to Qwen. This is me downloading the second scene image. We head over to Qwen. Okay, once you downloaded your scene images, not the first scene or second scene, that once you finish downloading all your scene images, you head over to Qwen. Qwen is the image video generator tool I'm using because it's free. Okay, there are other video generator tools like Grok, Gemini Gen, Google Flow can also animate videos for you. Meta AI can do that as well. So for this case scenario, we're using Qwen. Now we have to change the aspect ratio. As you can see in Flow, it was giving us 9:16 aspect ratio, and here it's showing by 16 is 9. So if we generate video like that, it should not give us a good result. So we have to change it to 9:16, which is the landscape aspect ratio. Then you come to upload attachment. You first of all, you click on create video. Okay, that is by putting it in the create video settings. Then click on upload attachment or file. So once that is done, you tap on the first scene image to upload it. Now go back to your ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt and go back to Qwen. You notice that our images have been uploaded. Then you paste the video generation prompt and wait for the image to be animated into video. Now there's a problem I have with Qwen. The problem I have with Qwen is it takes so long to generate videos. Sometimes at the end, after waiting a long time, the video does not end up generating. So what I have to do is I'll pause this video and I'll come back once the image has finished generating. Okay, so for some reason we've been having issues generating videos on Qwen. It's the only free tool available to us. Okay, but let's try Gemini and see if Gemini can do something for us. So how we generate videos with Gemini is it's basically the same similar process. You upload the file, upload the scene. Okay, the scene image is for scene 1, and paste in your prompt, and you submit. Hopefully Gemini allows us to generate image or is generating image. We don't want it to generate image, we need video. Okay, we need video. Let's be sure of the prompt we copied. Yes, it's the same prompt. Let's head over to Gemini back. For some reason, Gemini image quality is good. So we need to generate a video, not an image. So we have to tell it it's a video, because it wasn't stated that it's a video here. Or we do this, copy this, copy the video prompt. Now I have to state that it's a video. Like I said, prompting matters. Okay, prompt is the most important aspect of AI video generation. If your prompt is not well detailed, the AI won't understand what you're doing. So yes, as you can see, it's here, but you cannot generate video at this moment because we need to subscribe. Okay, let me switch the account and see. Let me switch my account and see if Gemini will allow me generate video. Okay. So this is the second account, and it's still saying the same thing. Yes, AI tools are not free, guys. AI tools are not free. So that is the challenge I've been having for some days. I can't generate videos because of there's other free tools to use. Now there are some other tools that we could check. Gemini Gen. Okay, this is a free tool as well. So this is another free tool, Gemini Gen, and yes, it's basically see the same process, but I think we need to sign in first. You can just click on see, select the file, first frame, second frame option, but I think the option is being paid for. Yes, it will definitely ask us to log in. So log in with Google, but it's going to need to verify if we're a bot first. So let's hold on for a little. Okay, so now that's all that is done. First frame, we'll have to upload the image again because so anything we're doing will be saved to the account. So let's see. Whenever they say a certain tool is free, you do not expect 100% free tool, because there should always be one thing. There should always be one thing that would say, you have to pay for this, you have to pay for that. So there's nothing that is free, because these companies are trying to make money. Okay, so they are doing business, so there's no such thing as a free tool. There might be a free tool, but for a certain duration, but it is not completely free in my own perspective. Okay, there is no such thing as free tool, so nobody should say this particular tool is 100% free. Now, as you can see, that's showing me required plan, so they want me to upgrade. The VO3 feature requires a maximum. Okay, so it's telling me I should it requires a maximum of 820 to generate videos. But I've clicked on the Grok 3. they said it's a free model on the platform. So let's check it and see. This is basically showing you guys how to animate videos and also giving a review about um, the tool I'm using to generate videos, because yes, I don't think you see this video anywhere else on the internet. So it's saying your video is being generated with AI magic. So I'm still going to pause the video again, and when we come back we'll see our results. Okay, so we're back. The video has finished generating, and this is the result. And it is not the result we want, because this is not our main character. Okay, this is not our main character. It gave us a wrong result. Meanwhile, we gave it a reference image. Now let's input our reference image again and try again. Okay, let's see what we'll get this time around. Okay, so as you can see, we've been trying to generate video with the so-called free tools that they gave us. It's not working. Nothing is working. Okay, so once you have your paid subscription, okay, all you just have to do is after generating your scenes from 1 and scene 2, you download them, take it over to CapCut, and you arrange it according to each scene, and you save them, and that's all. So yes, that's how you generate videos with AI. Okay, so hopefully in my master class I would use a premium subscription for tutorials and give you all the details you guys need. Thanks for joining this AI beginners class.